improve logistic security and track inventory in real time, all in one system. With IDIS, anything is possible. Now, let's turn it over to our IDIS expert to show you how it all works.
Good afternoon. My name is Mike Rose, EVP of Strategic and National Accounts here at IDIS Americas. Welcome to our Logistics Solution Zone. We're excited to showcase some of our top-tier surveillance solutions tailored specifically for logistics applications. The IDIS Logistics Solution provides integrated management and tracking services for goods across warehouses nationwide. As you explore, you'll see a range of products designed to streamline installation, enhance security, and ultimately help you reduce costs and improve operational efficiencies. Let's dive right into the technologies we're showcasing today. Let's begin on our left side with our PoE Extender Camera. This camera is unique in that it features both a PoE in and a PoE out, allowing you to power two cameras through a single cable run. As you can see on the display, this camera is linked to the next camera, reducing the amount of camera cable needed, simplifying installations. This not only saves time, but also lowers overall costs by minimizing the need for additional power sources and infrastructure. Next up, we have our bi-spectrum camera. This solution offers the dual capability of capturing both visual and thermal imagery simultaneously. This is a great fit for environments where monitoring temperature is just as important as visual surveillance. For example, it can detect temperature spikes or even potential fire hazards before they escalate, giving you proactive alerts and mitigate risk and protect valuable assets. Now let's take a look at our multi-imager camera. This camera can replace up to 4 traditional cameras in warehouse environments. For instance, you can install it at a racking intersection, capture all 4 directions with a single camera. Not only does this reduce the need for multiple cameras, but it also comes equipped with AI-powered object detection analytics, enabling you to quickly identify incidents or potential security threats, saving you time and enhancing response efficiencies. On our right, we have our 360-degree. This camera provides comprehensive view of large areas, eliminating blind spots and ensuring no gaps in surveillance. Ideal for monitoring expansive spaces. Its wide coverage reduces the number of cameras needed, lowering both hardware and installation costs. Plus, its advanced de-warping technology ensures that the image remains seamless, clear, and when adjusting to different layouts. And then on the end, we have our panoramic camera featuring dual imagers. This camera provides a 180-degree field of view, perfect for monitoring wide areas like parking lots or outdoor storage spaces. Its ability to stitch images together offers a smooth, uninterrupted view, so you won't need multiple cameras to cover a large area. It's excellent, cost-effective solution for wide area surveillance. If you take a look at the monitor on the left, you'll see our barcode and text-in interface. In logistics centers, many items move throughout the facility daily. This interface integrates directly with your scanning system, enabling you to associate video with these items as they are scanned throughout your facility. This makes it easy to quickly search and track items at each stage of the transport process. On the bottom right here, we're showcasing our video container ID recognition. This solution aids in storage management and incident resolution. If an issue arises, it allows you to quickly track and identify the cause of the problem, helping you to streamline operations and ensure smooth logistics. Thank you for your time and attention today at the IDIS Americas. We're committed to providing innovative solutions that not only enhance security, but optimize your logistics operations. If you have any questions or would like more in-depth demonstration of any of our products, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help.
Thank you for joining us here today, and we'll see you in the next video.